Well, news just coming in. The CPIM office allegedly received a threat call late last night. Now, the caller claimed that Sitaram Yechury is not doing the right thing by supporting the protests that are taking place at the Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi. Let's listen into what Prakash Karat said on this.
Well, this is a response to our party's firm stand against the attack on the Students' Union in JNU, against the student community in JNU, and the imposition of the Hindutva ideology on the campuses, sponsored by the government. So obviously those forces are angry with us, and this is what they try to do to our office.
There's also threat call made to Sitaram.
All these we are prepared to face. We are not worried. We are not worried about being labelled anti-national or anything. We are prepared to face this, and we'll fight it out.
Well, Bhavtosh Singh is on the phone line for more on this. Bhavtosh, we understand that the CPIM has filed a police complaint with regards to this threat call.
Yes, in fact, a complaint has been filed with Mandir Marg police station. In the complaint, the CPM, one of the office bearers of CPM has claimed that a series of calls were received on their landline between 10:30 p.m. and 1 a.m. So the caller was looking for Sitaram Yechury. He first threatened, then abused, and said that Sitaram Yechury should not support those who have been labelled anti-national or those against whom a case of sedition has been filed. Now, early this morning, a complaint was given to the police. The police have said that they will go through the call records and try to trace the person who have made these calls. He claimed that he's member of some Sena. Now, it's not very clear whether he's part of any right-wing fringe group, but when he made this call, he claimed that he's member of some Sena, and that Yechury should not support against whom cases of sedition have been filed.
So many left leaders, they are getting threat calls after this.
Definitely, I do get threat calls. When we met the Home Minister, I did raise the issue with the Home Minister. We are getting anonymous calls and threatening to shoot down us. All these things are happening. So we will be taking it up formally with the government.
ये अभिव्यक्ति की आज़ादी, ये राजनीतिक दलों के काम करने की आज़ादी पर हमला है। हमने आपातकाल में सन 75 में इस तरह की घटनाएं देखी और सुनी थी। ये नए किस्म का आपातकाल है, हम इसकी निंदा